Good morning, kindergarten rock stars. Let's take a look at our morning message. You ready? Here we go. Read with me. Good morning, kindergarten rock stars. Today is Tuesday, November 10th, 2020. We are so happy you are watching today. Please tell me the beginning sound of these words. So the beginning sound is that first sound. Here's our first word, skunk, skunk. S is the beginning sound. Moose, moose. Is the beginning sound. Snake, snake. Did you guess? S? You're right. Begins with the sound. Mice, mice. Begins with the sound. Second, second. And our last one, apple, apple. Is the beginning sound. Good job. Now I'm going to have you take a look at some pictures, and very quickly I want you to be able to look at that picture and tell me how many. All right, there's our first picture. What do you think? 2. You are right if you said 2. Now look at this one. It's a 10 frame. 6. Yep, that's 6. You could count all the dots, or you could notice the top part is of the 10 frame is full, which is 5, and 1 more is 6. What number is this? 4, because I know if our fingers are all completely out with the thumb, it's 5. So 1 less is 4. Good job. I'm going to put a video on about different numbers and be able to look at them really quickly and be able to tell me what they are. Okay, I'll put that on later today. Love, Mrs. Cool and Miss Pam. All right, let's keep going. These are our letters we're working very hard on this week. The letter M, the letter S, and the letter A. All right, let's do some counting. We counted to 30 last time. Let's do it again. Here we go. Maybe it's better if I don't have that. Maybe I'll do it with my hand. I'll do it with this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Great job. All right, let's do our countdown. We're going to start at 10. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off to the moon. Great job, boys and girls. All right, let's make another ABC pattern. All right, today I'm going to do turkey. Let's do pilgrim, flag. Okay, so that is my ABC pattern, so I just need to repeat it over and over. Turkey, pilgrim, flag. Turkey, pilgrim, flag. Wonderful job. All right, our gray song, which I've already posted for you, but let's take a look at our sight words. Gray, orange, red, blue, the, am, at. Wonderful. All right, let's take a look at your activities that you have for today. All right, boys and girls, you're going to be working on your letter N, okay? And then this is 10 frame. So what you're going to do is you're going to have to look at the number by the 10 frame. This one's 7. Do you see that 7? Then you're going to have to put 7 dots in the 10 frame, okay? And then you're going to go through all these other ones, okay? So you got to know your numbers, and you have to know what they represent. When you're finished, make sure you check the check mark so I get to see your beautiful work. And then here, what you're going to do is you're going to match uppercase and lowercase letters. If you need to use your letter card sheet that's in your yellow folder, go ahead. And if you don't, that's great too. We want you to keep continuously to practice. So here we have the letter E, so you're going to have to find the capital E that matches it. Once you're all finished with that sort, then you're going to push that green button again so that I can see your work, okay? Work really hard on that. So for videos, we have the am and at practice sheet, and that will be a video that will be out on your Seesaw in just a little bit. And then this is also going to be our story time today. Miss Haley is reading a story, and she looks like one of the characters in the story. So it should be a great story for you, friends. All right. For your iPad, I'd like to have you continue to go on Imagine Learning. Good job for those kids that had done it yesterday. You did a wonderful job. And last but certainly not least, have a wonderful day. Boys and girls, if you need anything at all, have your moms and dads call me, email me, or whatever, just so that you understand your activities. And if you need other things to do also, I can send those out also. All right, boys and girls, have a fabulous Tuesday.